whether to do baked chicken because it's so easy. But then I decided that I didn't know how to do baked chicken until someone showed me. So I'm going to show you how I make baked chicken. Alright, first of all, I'm going to get my chicken on the pan upside down, because I like to cook with the skin side up. But I want to season everything first on the other side. And I am using heavy duty foil that has been sprayed with non-stick spray. That'll help it clean up and it'll help the chicken not to stick. And now what I put on mine, you can put whatever you like, but I use salt, and I always use kosher salt. I just think it's better. And I like the diamond crystal salt because not all kosher salts are the same. And pepper. Sprinkle of pepper. Seasoned salt. Garlic powder or granulated garlic. Onion powder. Paprika. And rosemary. I just sprinkle a little since it's dry. If you have fresh, you can chop that up, put on it, it's good. And I use poultry seasoning because it is chicken after all. And thyme. Sometimes I put cumin on it, sometimes I put red pepper, but this is what I'm using today. And now I'll just flip it over and repeat. This is such an easy meal, and usually if we have leftovers, I can make either a chicken casserole with what's left over the next night or a chicken pie. If there's any leftovers. Because sometimes the chicken I have has a bigger, has more pieces in it than it does today. So we'll just have to see. If there's some left over, you might get another recipe. And now all I do is fold it over and put it in the oven, and I'll cook it covered for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'll open it back up and put it back in the oven for 30 more minutes. All right, we'll be back. And here is the wonderful chicken. Like I said, I cooked it covered for 30 minutes, and then I uncovered it and cooked it for another 30 minutes. And I checked to make sure the juices were running clear, and I did stick it back on the top rack for maybe 5 minutes or so. I wanted the chicken to be a little bit more tender, and that's why I put it back in. Cover it back up and let it just continue to do that cooking while it's covered. And it sure looks good. It smells delicious. All right. I hope you you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell. And until next time,